Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix if the taskbar is not working or it is not responding or taskbar is hinged. So let's start with the first method. So you have to press keyboard key, shift key, and escape key together. You have to press all the three keys together on your keyboard so it will open Task Manager like this. After that, click on this More Details and click on this first Process tab. Scroll down and search for Windows Explorer Order. This is the folder we need, Windows Explorer. So right click on it and then click on this Restart. So this will restart this particular setlist, click on restart. So this will fix the error. But if you are still getting the same issue, again open this Task Manager. After that, click on this File option and then click on this Running New Task. Now you have to type a new command here or type here explorer.ext and then click OK. That's it. You have to apply it set as well, but if you are still getting the same issue, then move to the next step. You then try it. So open Task Manager again, then click on this tab Startup. Okay, and here you will see all the startup applications. So you have to disable all the startup applications one by one. Just right click on the startup application and click disable. For disable all the startup applications you have in your system. After that, touch the window and see restart your system. And this will fix the taskbar issue on your system. So the next method you can try if the Windows files are corrupted, you can repair those files. So click on this search box and type here cmd. Click this run as administrator. Now you have to type a command here /scan help. So this you scan your PC and repeat all the files, all the Windows corrupted files. Please press enter and this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. After completing the process, simply crack this window and restart your system. The one last lecture you then try is to create a new user account. So I have already created a video about how to create a new login user account in Windows 10. I'll put the video link in description box so create a new user login account and after that log in that and this will also help you to fix the error. That's all from this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, and if you have any problem, I will comment down. I'll try to make a video on it. Thanks for watching.